I got in some goodies from MJ Toys. Got the 1987 Buick Regal Limited, and also in the background we got the Buick Grand National, so we're going to do both of these in this video. So check out the packaging. So this is part of the Lowrider series that MJ Toys is doing. They also have Lowrider series with Greenlight and also Auto World. So this is the latest and greatest from that line. So let's go check out the packaging real quick, because I'm going to crack these open so you can actually see them up close. That is sweet. This is exactly what I wanted when I saw that M2 was making the Grand National. It's really cool packaging. But I'm more of a boxed M2 collector, so this one's probably going to get opened. But either way, if you want them packaged or if you want them loose, I'm going to be posting these on my website. I'm going to put a link in the description. I only ordered one master case each of these, so that's 24 each. I'm guessing that these will probably go quick. So if you want to grab them, follow that link in the description, pick them up. Again, I'll have them I'll have them for sale both loose and carded. So I know some of you like them in the package. If you're like me, I prefer the cube, so I'd rather take these out, put them in the cube. But anyways, enough of that. I'm gonna crack them open and let's take a look at them. So first I'm just going to show a bit better of the card art. That is pretty sweet, because the card is kind of blocking it so you can't really see it. Anyways, so I cracked this one open because the hood won't close on it. So if you buy one loose, you might get this one. Oh, of course, I couldn't close the hood in the package. You know, the trick where you hit your palm and stuff to try and get it closed, that did not work. What is so loose? Oh, it's just the wheels. The wheels make this crazy rattling noise. But, yeah, again, so this won't be available to be loose. But let's take a look at it. I think these are brand new wheels. Yeah. Boy, are they skinny. Holy smokes. You know what? Yeah, let's take off the base. Okay, so sorry about that. This is the 1987 Buick Regal Limited. This is release number MJS69. So this is the 69th MJ exclusive. Oh. I somehow didn't see how awesome that paint looks in the package. Look at the sparkles. That is actually really awesome. I kind of want to get some acetone or something and remove the tampos from this. I love that paint job on it. Not really into all the other graphics, but alright, so I had to show you the chassis. Look at how ridiculous those tires are. Do I have a toothpick? Yeah. So I have a toothpick. It is about the same width of a toothpick. So that is redonkulous. Take a look at the front. These headlights are really recessed back in there. Take a look at the back. Of course, you gotta get a bird's eye view because you gotta see all the details. Can't really see too much of the interior. You can see some of the super glue in the back seats. Nice. Take a look at the engine bay. That is pretty cool, and I don't normally keep one for myself, but this one I might. And I'm really thinking about taking the tampos off. If I do, I'll do another video showing you this without the tampos. Now, this actually got mirrors. Makes me happy. So many 164 cars don't have mirrors. It drives me nuts. Alright, let's take a look at the other one, the Grand National. And my favorite. Very happy to have this. There's some loose paint. The 1987 Buick Grand National. I'm actually pretty happy with the way this one came out. I was kind of thinking about maybe changing the wheels and the tires, but I think they're growing on me. This one has a roll cage on the inside. Guess we had to make it a little bit different, right? Very cool. This one, ooh, uh-oh. I got some flat spots on the back tires. That's unfortunate. Oh well. The Goodyear falls off. I might actually change out these wheels and tires. Yeah. That's one thing about M2 Tampos when it comes to tires. They usually don't line up. So as you can see, the Goodyear's falling off on this tire. Front's okay though. The front's got that really skinny front one again. Wish I made it just a little bit fatter on the front. Now it's got really, really skinny. So that is a hot item. This is an MJ Toys exclusive. This is release number 70 for them, or MGS 70. And again, I'll have this one also loose and carded on my website. I'll throw both up on the eBay site as well. That's got the bucket seats. Very cool. So I'll have them both listed for you guys. So if you want to pick them up, I got you covered. Also, got quite a few other releases that have come in. I haven't put on the website yet. If you guys see anything on my eBay page on my website that you want, let me know. I can get them thrown up at the website. I can always give you a better deal on the website because I'm not paying like 30% in eBay fees. I really want to get away from eBay because it's disgusting looking at my invoices, and not every time, but sometimes some of the listings I have like 30%, or they take a 30% cut overall. That's from tax, the cost of shipping, and the item. It's just gross how much money they take. I mean, for the most part, it's usually around 25%, and even that's just disgusting. So my website, only fee I pay is the transaction fee for the credit card. So I am willing to give you guys much better deals. So go check out my website, parttimecollector.com. It'll take you to my Shopify site, and from there, if you guys see anything that you want, just shoot me a message on Facebook. I'm on Part Time Collector there. Shoot me an email, parttimecollector@gmail.com, or on YouTube, just leave a comment and I can find a way to get in contact with you and we can do some deals, because I've got way too much inventory. I need to clear it out. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the Vipers in the bottom right corner. See my most current video in the top right corner. The two videos on the left are based on your interest in this video. And make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more content. And as always, happy hunting.